Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Hello. We are with the last class of this term. Okay, we are with the last class of this term and 2 more letters are pending. Only 2 more letters are pending. Right? Okay, I feel that you all are happy and you all are safe at home. Isn't it? Okay, now you look onto the board. You can see on the screen a big teddy bear. On the board there is a big teddy bear. Do you remember the song that rhyme related to that teddy bear? Do you remember that? Shall we recite that once? Okay. Fussy wussy wussy bear, fussy wussy had no hair. So fussy wussy wasn't really fussy, was he? Okay, you don't have to learn this, but those who can learn this, no problem. Okay, those who can learn, and those who can't, please enjoy it. Ready? Now I am going to show you all the words which starts with the letter. Tan-da-dan. What is this? Yes, the letter is Z. Look, the mama letter Z. Look, the baby letter Z. Mama letter Z and baby letter Z. Both are same. Right? Both are same, but the size is only different. Size is only different. So, do you remember what is the sound of the Z? Z. What is the sound of this? Z. Okay. So, here on the board, you can recall all the words which starts, all the pictures which starts with the letter Z and the sound Z. Ready? Okay, look the first picture on the board. What is it? Yes, it's the picture of a zoo. What is it? Zoo. You can see many animals in that zoo. Right? Okay. So what is this? Zoo. Can you say the sound of Z? Z. What is the sound of Z? Z. Okay. Now you look at the next picture. What is that picture? It's an animal. What is it? Zebra. What is it? Zebra. Okay, you can see white and black strips on its body. Right? Okay. So, what is the sound of it? What is the sound of Z? Z. What is the sound? Z. Z. Okay. Now look at the next picture. What is it? Zip. What is it? Zip. You can see in your frock, in boys' pants, trousers, everywhere. And what is the sound of it, Muckles? Zzz. Okay. Look the next picture. You can see it on the road. For crossing the road, we are using it. What is it? Yes, on the road you can see that is called zebra crossing. What is it? Zebra crossing. And the sound of Z is Z. What is the sound of Z? Z. Okay, now look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, xylophus. What is it? Xylophus. What is the sound of Z? Z. Xylophus. What is the sound of Z? Z. Okay. Now look the next picture. You can say, you know it. Like that letter, that is a letter in English, that is a letter in Malayalam. You can see in maths also that number, that is 0. What is it? 0. 0. 0 means nothing, and 0 also starts with the same letter Z, and the sound is Z. Okay, now look the next one. You have done in your workbook these lines you have drawn in your books. This is called zigzag. What is that? What lines are those? Zigzag lines, and it also starts with the same letter Z, and the sound is Z, and the sound is Z. Okay, those are the pictures. I know you all identify all these pictures, and you know the sound of Z also. Okay, the sound of Z is Z. And now I will show you how to write the capital letter Z and the small letter Z. That means mama letter Z and baby letter Z. The formation is same. Okay, and there is only difference is there in the size only. Now you just look onto the board. You can see how we have to write letter Z. Look onto the board. Yes, mama letter Z and baby letter Z we are going to write, and the mama letter Z we are going to write first the sleeping line, then the slanting line, then again the sleeping line. Very easy. Okay, now you look at the baby letter Z. Same, one sleeping line, one slanting line, and one sleeping line. Only the difference is there in the size. Okay, now we had completed the letter Z. Okay, now we are going to the next letter. Do you remember the story in that? Do you remember the story? Whose story I was saying? Yes. Look, that bird is here. What is this bird? What is this bird? Nightingale. What is it? Nightingale. And what was the name of that nightingale? Yes, Ninu. What was the name? Ninu. And where is that nest of the nightingale? Where was the nest of that Ninu? It was in a neem tree. Look, you can see a neem tree here. Neem tree. Yes. So the nest, you can see the picture of a nest also. The nest was on the neem tree. Right. And inside the nest, there was something. What was it? Eggs. Eggs. How many eggs were there? How many eggs were there in that nest? 9 eggs. How many eggs? 9 eggs. Okay. And one day what happened? It was heavy wind was there, and the nest fell down, and the Ninu started crying. Right? Ninu started crying, and her friend came there. And who was her friend? Nikki. Who was her friend? Nikki. What was Nikki? Nikki was a squirrel. Okay, Nikki was a squirrel. You can see the picture of a squirrel here, right? Okay, Nikki came, and Nikki, what he did? He built a new nest for Ninu, right? Yes, what was the nest with? With newspaper and nuts. With newspaper, you can see the picture of a newspaper, and with nuts, you can see the nutshell. Not with nuts, nutshell. Okay, he was making he built a nest with the newspaper and nutshell, and Ninu was very happy, and Ninu was saying thank you to her friend Nicky, the squirrel. Right, okay, you know all this. Now I am going to show all the pictures with this letter and watch it on the screen. Okay, Muckles, what is this first picture? Nest. What is it? Nest. And what is the first letter? N. N for nest. Nest. N for nest. Nest. Okay. Next one. What is that picture? Net. What is the next picture? Net. N for net. Net. N for net. Net. Okay, now look at the next picture. Needle. What is the next picture? Needle. And what is that? First letter? N. N for needle. Needle. N for needle. Needle. Okay, now you look at the next picture. What is it? Nut. Nut. N for nut. Nut. N for nut. Nut. Okay, now you go to the next picture. What is it? You can see this person in the hospital. What is it? Who is that? Yes, nurse. N for nurse. Nurse. N for nurse. Nurse. Okay, the next picture, look at it. Nib. It is a part of a pen. Okay, it is a part of a pen. What is it? Nib. Okay, shall we say? Yes, N for nib. Nib. N for nib. Nib. Okay, look at the last picture. I had told you there are two pictures with the same word. I was saying one is the part of a finger, and the other one which we are using for some construction work, like carpenters are using it. Yes, you can see both the pictures, and the name of it is nail. What is it? Nail. N for nail. Nail. N for nail. Nail. Okay, that was the end of it, and now I will show you how to write mama letter N and baby letter N. Watch it carefully. Look onto the screen. Okay, look onto the board. Let us look how to write mama letter N and baby letter N. Okay, this is how we write mama letter N. Look here, this is just like zigzag. You have learned how to draw a zigzag line. Yes, just upward, downward, then again upward. Okay, this is mama letter N. Upward, downward, upward. This is mama letter N. And how to write baby letter N? A standing line and just a downward curve. Okay, one standing line and one just downward curve. And this is how we write mama letter N and baby letter N. Okay, by this our topic is completed. Okay, so what Muckles you have to do is you want to write these two letters in your workbook with pencil. I know you all are writing, right? Okay, so we will conclude our class, and after your assessment we will start new lesson, new topic from your term 2 book. Ready? Okay, be happy, enjoy well. Okay, bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.